Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to clear everything on your desktop on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, or we can just stay on the desktop and analyze what we have. As you can see by the recording on screen, we have a very messy desktop. If we try delete, command delete, we still have a messy desktop. And now we don't even know how many photos we have that are overlapping each other. So we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to Desktop, and there we can see everything that's on the desktop. If we change view to list, Command A to highlight all, right click, and then we can move to bin. Everything is gone. Go all the way down to the dock. Again, go to the bin, empty, yes. So now we have cleared the desktop that was very messy. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.